Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be back.
Dave, I have a very important question for you.
Uh-oh. Whenever you say that, I get nervous.
Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, you check your phone, and suddenly you discovered that you won the lottery.
Wow. How much money?
$100 million.
Okay. I need a minute,
Why?
because I'm already planning my retirement.
That was fast.
I've been preparing for this moment my whole life.
Really?
Absolutely. Step 1, quit my job. Step 2, buy pizza. Step 3, think about the future.
That's your life plan?
It's a very good plan.
I don't know about that.
What would you do?
Honestly, I think I would panic.
Really? Why?
Because $100 million is a lot of money.
That's true. I would probably panic too, after I bought the pizza.
Of course.
So, what's our topic today?
Today's topic is, what would you do if you won the lottery?
Oh, this is a dangerous topic,
Why?
because now I really want to win the lottery.
Me too.
Have you ever bought a lottery ticket?
Actually, only once.
Really? What happened?
I didn't win anything.
Welcome to the club.
What about you?
When I was 20 years old, I bought a lottery ticket.
And?
I won $5.
That's not bad.
The ticket cost $10.
Oh.
So, technically, I lost $5.
That's unfortunate.
It was my shortest financial success story.
When you were a child, did you ever dream about becoming rich?
Absolutely. Every child dreams about becoming rich.
What would you buy?
Everything.
Everything?
A mansion, a sports car, a private island, a pet tiger.
A pet tiger?
I was 8 years old. My financial decisions were not very good.
That's fair.
What about you? Did you dream about becoming rich?
Not really.
Really? Why?
When I was young, I just wanted enough money to buy ice cream every day.
Honestly, that's a great dream.
Thank you.
Did your parents ever talk about money when you were a child?
Sometimes. They always said money was important, but happiness was more important.
My parents said the same thing.
Did you believe them?
Not when I was 10.
What did 10-year-old Dave believe?
10-year-old Dave believed that happiness was buying every video game in the world.
That's very honest.
What do you think now?
Now I think money is important, but I don't think money alone creates happiness.
That's interesting. I think I agree.
Really?
Yeah, I think money can solve some problems, but it can't solve everything.
That's true.
Although, if I won $100 million, I would still like to test my theory.
For scientific purposes.
Exactly. I'm willing to make that sacrifice.
Very brave of you.
Thank you. I try to help science whenever possible.
So tell me, if you won the lottery tomorrow, what is the very first thing you would do?
Honestly, I would call my family.
Really? That's sweet.
Then, I would order the biggest pizza in the city.
There it is. I was waiting for the pizza answer.
Some things never change.
I think that's a good thing. Dave, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you think winning the lottery would change you?
Honestly, I hope not, but I think it probably would.
Really? In what way?
Well, I think having a lot of money changes how people think, and maybe how other people treat you too.
That's true. Do you think you would still be the same person?
I would try, but who knows? If I suddenly owned a private island, I might become a little strange.
What would you do on your private island?
Sleep, eat pizza, watch the sunset, repeat.
That actually sounds very peaceful.
Thank you. I've spent many years planning this.
I can tell.
What about you? Do you think money changes people?
Sometimes, but I think money reveals who people really are.
Wow, that's interesting.
If someone is kind, they may become more generous.
That makes sense.
If someone only cares about money, they may become even more obsessed.
I think you're right.
Can I tell you a childhood story?
Please do.
When I was about 9 years old, I found $10 on the street.
Wow, you were rich.
That's exactly how I felt.
What did you do?
I made a list.
A list?
Yes, I planned everything. Ice cream, candy, toys, snacks.
That sounds like a good investment plan.
Thank you.
What happened?
My mother told me I should save some money.
Did you?
No,
Of course not.
I spent everything in one afternoon.
Any regrets?
Maybe a little, but I was very happy that day.
Sometimes happiness is worth $10.
I agree. What about you? Did you ever dream about becoming rich as a child?
Every day.
Really?
Absolutely. When I was 11, I started my first business.
Wait, you had a business?
Yes, I sold handmade bookmarks at school.
That's adorable.
Thank you. I thought I was a genius businessman.
How much money did you make?
$3.
$3?
Before expenses.
What expenses?
The paper, the pens, and the snacks I bought while working.
So how much profit did you make?
-$5.
That's amazing.
My business career ended very quickly.
But you learned something.
Yes, never mix business and snacks.
That's an important life lesson.
Very important.
You know, if I won the lottery, I think I would still keep working.
Really? Why?
Because I think having a purpose is important.
That's interesting. I don't know if I agree.
Really?
I think I would take a very long vacation first.
How long?
Maybe 5 years?
That's not a vacation.
That's true. Maybe it's retirement.
I knew you would say that.
But honestly, after some time, I think I would want to do something meaningful.
Like what?
Helping people, traveling, learning new things, spending more time with family and friends.
That sounds wonderful.
You know, maybe winning the lottery isn't really about money.
What do you mean?
Maybe it's about having more choices.
Wow, I really like that idea.
Me too. Although I still want the private island,
And the pizza?
especially the pizza.
Dave, earlier you said you would call your family first.
That's right.
What would you tell them?
Honestly, I don't know. I think I would just scream.
Really?
Absolutely. Imagine receiving that news. I don't think anyone would stay calm.
That's true. I would probably check the numbers 20 times.
Me too. And then I would ask someone else to check.
Just to make sure?
Exactly. Because knowing me, I probably read the ticket wrong.
That's a very real possibility.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Can I tell you a funny story?
Of course.
When I was 12 years old, I actually believed I had won the lottery.
No way.
Yes. I found a lottery ticket on the ground.
Oh, no.
I checked the numbers, and one number matched.
Just one?
At that moment, I didn't understand how lotteries worked.
So, what did you do?
I ran home. I told my parents we were rich.
What did they say?
My father asked how much we won.
And?
I said, I don't know, but I think we're buying a castle.
A castle?
I had big dreams.
What happened after that?
My father explained how the lottery actually works.
That must have been disappointing.
Very disappointing. My dream castle disappeared in about 30 seconds.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you. I still think about that castle sometimes.
What would you buy now if you won the lottery?
Honestly, the first thing I would buy is a house for my parents.
Really? That's beautiful.
They worked very hard for our family. I would love to do something special for them.
I think many people feel the same way.
What about you? What would you buy first?
I think I would help my family too.
That makes sense.
Then maybe I would travel?
Where would you go?
Japan. I've always wanted to visit Japan.
That's a great choice.
What about you?
Honestly, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yes, I would spend 1 year traveling around the world.
That sounds amazing.
I've always dreamed about that.
Would you travel alone?
Probably not. Traveling is more fun with friends.
I agree.
Although, if I won $100 million, I could afford to bring all my friends,
That's very generous.
as long as they pay for their own snacks.
Of course.
You know, when I was younger, I thought being rich meant buying expensive things.
And now?
Now, I think being rich means having freedom.
That's interesting. What kind of freedom?
Freedom to spend time with family, freedom to travel, freedom to choose how you live.
I like that answer.
What about you? What does being rich mean to you?
I think being rich means having peace of mind.
Wow, that's a really good answer.
Thank you.
You know, this conversation is making me want to buy another lottery ticket.
Really?
Yes, for educational purposes.
Of course. Everything is educational with you.
I'm just trying to help science,
And pizza companies.
especially pizza companies.
You know, Dave, after today's conversation, I've been thinking a lot.
About the lottery?
Yes, and about happiness.
That's interesting. What have you been thinking?
I think when we're young, we believe money can solve everything.
I definitely believed that.
Me too.
But now,
Now, I think money is important, but I don't think it's everything.
I agree. Money can make life easier, but it can't create every good thing in life.
Exactly. It can't create real friendship.
Or family memories.
Or love.
Or trust.
You know, some of my happiest memories cost almost nothing.
Really? Like what?
Sitting at home with my family, talking late at night, laughing about old stories.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you? What's one of your happiest memories?
Honestly, a weekend trip with my friends.
Really? Where did you go?
Nowhere special, just a small town nearby.
What made it special?
We laughed all weekend. We ate too much food, we got lost twice, and nobody cared.
That sounds like a perfect trip.
It really was.
Do you think winning the lottery would make you happier?
For a while? Probably.
That's honest.
I think buying a house for my parents would make me happy. Traveling would make me happy. Helping people would make me happy.
That makes sense.
But I don't think money alone creates a happy life.
I agree. Okay, Dave.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
I think one of the biggest luxuries in life is peace.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Having enough time, having people you love, having good health. Those things feel very valuable.
I couldn't agree more.
And honestly, having good pizza helps too.
I was wondering how long you could stay serious.
Not very long.
If you won the lottery tomorrow, would you still do this podcast with me?
Absolutely.
Really? Even with $100 million?
Of course.
Why?
Because some things are more valuable than money.
That's very sweet.
Also, you would probably win the lottery too.
That's not how lotteries work.
Well, in my dream, that's how it works.
I like your dream.
Thank you.
You know, maybe the real question isn't, what would you do if you won the lottery?
Really? Then what's the real question?
What would make your life meaningful?
Wow, that's a very good question.
Because everyone has a different answer.
That's true. Some people want adventure, some people want family, some people want peace.
And some people want pizza.
Exactly. Never underestimate the power of pizza.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
If you won the lottery tomorrow, what would be the first thing you would do?
Would you travel? Help your family? Buy your dream house?
Or maybe buy a lifetime supply of pizza?
Now that's a smart investment.
We'd love to hear your answers.
And remember, no matter how much money you have, don't forget to enjoy the small moments.
Because sometimes the happiest memories are free.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, if I ever win the lottery, I'll buy you a pizza.
Just one?
Okay, 2 pizzas.
Now that's real friendship.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.